again, this part is completely theory. So this part, what I'm trying to say, but understand the what I'm trying to say, and as well as the comparisons. Understand means comparisons between Office 365 and Office 365 normal Office. For example, Office current version is 2019 as I know, or maybe 2016, or maybe 2013, like that. So what sir it is? 2010, 2007, 2003, 2000, 2000, 98, 95. So like that. So those are the Office products. Office XP is also there. Office XP is also there. Okay. So what is the comparison or differences? So exactly say very simply say versus. Okay. So this is the another question you have to put it. Next, again, what is Office 365? Okay. First of all, 365 is a cloud-based product. You know, application virtualization, right? As a service, software as a service. Office 365 is a software as a service. Then the question will come up. The question will come up. Services. Now tell me, what are the cloud services?
Delivery
Network
services,
storage.
deployment services.
Which one? First one is? Yes, very good. Infrastructure as a service. Next.
Software
Software
as
as
a
a
service
service.
and platform as a
Software
service.
as a service. Platform.
Very good. Soft platform as a service, software as a service. Mainly three services. Of course, there is a service. So like that infrastructure as a code. Some for some few things, other things are there, but it is. But the main service as a service. Software as a service. Examples are Office 365, Google Docs. Okay, another one is a Google Docs kind of stuff. Okay, of course, mail communications comes under thing now. It is ServiceNow. ServiceNow is also application we run with the cloud, BMC Remedy kind of stuff. Salesforce, Salesforce. Okay, um, Dynamic CRM 365. Sorry, Dynamics 365 is is Dynamic CRM in offline. Dynamic 365. So this is a software as a service. Okay, so this is a lot of things are there. So example Oracle, SQL, DB, line as Oracle Cloud related one. So it is anything like a 12c kind of stuff, cloud related kind of stuff is there. That is called cloud infrastructure. Oracle OCI, I think. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure kind of stuff. Okay. Um, Microsoft SQL. It's a cloud related one.
Sir,
So
what
these
is
are all. Yeah, tell me.
Your voice is breaking.
RDS. What is? Mine is 100%.
Voice breaking, sir.
So voice issue.
Yes, sir.
Voice. Okay. Okay. My laptop having a voice issue. Got to check the internet. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. I'm going to change my network, so just a wait. I will try with another network. Guys, can you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so my voice is clear now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so different type of platforms are there. Like a, so you don't need to create any machine and all. Simply will go and access the application directly. That is a software as a service. Directly we are using application through the web browser. Next, platform as a service. Platform as a service, like you are implementing an application, but you need a platform. Means you need a background execution connections, database storages, or like that. So there is an application, but still you need to configure it. Okay, small difference, guys. Platform as a service, application is there, but you have to configure it, create it, and use it. Software as a service, just you use application, that's it. You don't need to configure anything. Okay, this is creating a virtual machines. Okay, infrastructure as a service, very simple. Management of virtual machines like a EC2 instance. Okay, these are the examples of that. So Azure, AWS, other things are there. So next one is private cloud. Cloud types. Public, private, hybrid, community. So public means anyone in the public can able to access the cloud services. It means if I want to go to Office 365, I can access. I want to access the Salesforce. Maybe I can able to access either single user wise or a organization wise. If I want to access the Oracle cloud, so I written, but I didn't show you that one. So Oracle 12C, now it is 21C. 19C is there. So this is just a showing like this, but you can directly go to, you can download it, and also you can directly access it. I didn't create any account here. So this is, yeah, livesql.org, try it on. So directly you can able to use your database, you can able to store, and you can connect to your applications. This is a Oracle Cloud free tier kind of stuff. You can try as if you require. So there is some 30 days trial versions also there, and there is a free kind of stuff. Oh. This is directly cloud, so we will get a only database also can able to do it. Yeah, don't waste time. Okay, or Amazon cloud, Azure cloud, like that. There are a public clouds. There are a public clouds. It means open the website and log in and access. So that's as I shown. So either it is a Microsoft Office or Microsoft Azure or a Oracle. So directly any user can open it, create an account, and they can start using cloud service. That is a public cloud. What is a private cloud? Only within an organization. In my organization, I use my cloud. I don't want to give to any public users. Or organization to organization. So I have an organization, I need a cloud service. So I will take it from a particular organization. So directly I will go to the organization, ask some infrastructure. So I will take the infrastructure and use it. That is also comes under private only. When it is come to the public means anyone, any user, organization level or a user level, either it is individual user level or organization level, they can use a cloud service called a public cloud services. Hybrid is a combination of private and public type. Means I am maintaining a private cloud, but I need a extra infrastructure or extra resources required. Then I will combine my private cloud with the public cloud. So then I will get a huge infrastructure thing. So then public cloud. Community cloud means I have a cloud in another organization also having a cloud services or a cloud related platforms are there. So both will come together and work with a certain project. So that is called a community cloud. Okay. So what is the Office 365? Which cloud it is?
SaaS.
Software as a service.
Software as a service, and it is public cloud, and it is public cloud, not a, I means it is also public means a individual user or a organizational level users also can be used the cloud service, that is called a public cloud. Okay, so next Office 365, because it's a cloud based product. What is the point of cloud based product? Access from anywhere and any time you can able to access. Because it's a cloud based product, pay as you go means as much as you are using, you have to pay for the license. Exactly say it is not pay as you go, meaning is here, okay, as long as you use, you have to pay. Like I want to use for 6 months, I use it for 6 months, that's it. So no need to pay after 6 months. You can access from anywhere, anytime, any device. So one more is there, that is what is it? What is a cloud? Okay, any device you can access from anywhere, anytime, and any device also you can access. Okay. You can access online and offline. For example, you take a office, Google Docs are there, right? So Google Docs as a now, up to now, okay. Maybe if I have my in my laptop, if I can able to install Google Docs or not, I'm not at now, so we have to verify. If you are using any Android related one or a Google OS related one, maybe you can install Google Docs related things. But up to now, so we can able to use Google Docs. It is okay. So you can open your Google Docs. Okay, you can access your own Google kind of stuff, right? So here it is, actually it is there. So I can go to my Google Docs, Google account. Okay, here it is, documents. You can go to documents, sheets, which one you want to create. You can create like you can create a documents, you can create it, sheets you can create it, slides you can create it, forms you can able to create. Just for only the 4 services are showing here, but a lot of services are also there. But I'm not yet known, so whether it is this Google Docs also works offline, like maybe from my machine it is can able to access, like a see, this is a Office 365 PowerPoint presentation. This is also Office 365 product only. You can see I'm showing my account. See, this is a Office 365 product only. Okay, so thing is, I'm use my Office. This is also Office 365. This is a web browser. See, look at this is a web browser, and this is also a Office 365 product. Okay, so this is the Excel sheet I've opened. Here it is. I've opened PPT through the application. Means you can access offline, online of the product. You can access offline and online of product. Okay, you can access in Google Docs. We can't. I think you can't access offline manner. Means offline means application manner. You can't able to access it. Okay. You can store data in OneDrive or in local PC. You can store your data in OneDrive. You can able to store it if you want it. Like if, for example, I want to change something, I want to store it. Just like I will go to the save. Okay, enable saving. Okay, now I want to save it. Just save as. Okay, so here I am saving in my local machine. But if I want to save this one in a OneDrive, I can also save it, or I can save in my SharePoint also. I can save it. So I can, like if I click here, it will be saved in my OneDrive. So then I can access the data from anywhere, including my mobile phone also. I can able to do it. So like we can save in a OneDrive or in a local PC. And you can share to SharePoint. Okay, like that. So I will tell what is SharePoint also. So what are the things you will get in Office 365? It is a cloud-based product. It is a software as a service. It is a public cloud. So the cloud product, it means you can access anywhere, anytime, and any device using through internet. And you can install and you can access the application through online and as well as the offline of the product. Pay as you go type, it means as long as you use, you have to pay, that's it. Okay, if whenever you are not paying, so it means no need to pay once it is not required. Okay, no need to pay once it is not required. activate and deactivate anytime. Okay, anytime. That is a Office 365 related one. Okay. So again, I told about a cloud, so that's the thing. Guys, okay, up to now?
Yes, sir.
Am I recording or not? Okay. So then another one is Office 365 versus normal Office. This is a normal Office, local Office product. Okay. So this is the one more is there, right? So then I am putting here or there. So you will put it here only. Later we'll go to the products. We'll see. So what is the difference between Office 365 and a normal Office? So we'll see that one. So we'll go to the panes. Okay. Look at here, guys. This is my PC, my local PC. Okay. So my PC. Okay. And usually, traditionally, we use 2000. Please. Okay. What I done in my PC. Okay. I installed Office 2019, for example. Office 2019 is just an application. It is a one-time install. It is a one-time purchase. So no need to pay monthly. No need to pay monthly. Okay. It is a one-time purchase only. So you can buy 2019 one time. So you'll get a basic all Office products. You will get it. Okay, Office related products you will get it. Maybe it is open here or not. Yeah, this is the one. See, Office Home and Student 2021. It's a new one. So I'm still in 2019. So it is a 2021 Office is released. It is a one-time purchase for a PC. So this is the cost of the single purchase. If you look at this one, it is the cost of single purchase. Like once you purchase it, no need to pay every month or every year. So it is used for one PC or one MAC address. Okay. So what you will get it, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, classic thing you will get it. And you are not getting any OneDrive kind of stuff, no Teams, no family safety mobile app, something is there, that is Outlook. You are not getting with that one. Outlook is my mail related thing, is it right? Works on Windows and Macs, iOS, Android, like that multi-platform thing is not there, no? So like this. So here it is 2021. Okay, so it's a 2021 is also there. So /21 also there. It is a one-time purchase, guys, and I installed Office in my PC. It means if I want to access my Office, how to access? Go to this PC and work with this Office only. Understand? You must go to your PC, then you can able to access your documents. You don't get any OneDrive kind of stuff, free OneDrive kind of stuff. You don't get it. You can't store in OneDrive anyway. If you want to do like your Microsoft OneDrive, you can take it and give it. That's a different point. But thing is, Office through Office 365 account, how you got a 1 terabyte of OneDrive, you're not getting that much. Second, okay. So what are the document you create? You store in a local PC. Okay. Your product is licensed and licensed in this PC only. So you cannot access this Office from different PCs. For example, I have a laptop kind of stuff, maybe a desktop. Okay, this is my another PC. Okay, I purchase a Office 365. It depends on a different products are there. The variations, editions I will explain later. Okay, Office 365. So how to pay monthly, okay, or yearly? How to monthly or yearly? How to pay? What I have to do? How to pay either every month or every year? How to pay? Not like a one-time purchase. You can use it for a time. Okay. No need to pay again and again in this one. No need to pay again and again. Here it is. You have to pay again and again. As long as you required, okay, you can pay. That is first thing. Second one. One second. I got same call. Yeah, hello. Sorry guys, I got a call, that's why I muted without telling anything to you. I thought it is very urgent class. Okay, it is a payment is monthly or a yearly type. Okay, this is one time purchase, this is pay monthly or yearly type. So you have to pay as long as you are using, you have to use. This is one time purchase, as long as you can use it. Okay, so I'm talking about Office 5 and normal Office. So as current version of Office is 2021 is also released. So what it is you have to pay monthly or yearly. Here it is a one time purchase. Okay? No need to pay again till you want. If you want a new edition again, maybe Office 2023 is released, 2024 is released, 2025 is released. Now you want to buy new one, you have to pay for that one. You have to pay again for that one. Okay. Support as long as you use. Use means you are paying. Use means you are paying. So remember that one. You are using means you are paying. So support is as long as you are using. As long as you are using, support is there. Okay. Next, in Office, normal Office, support is limited time. Okay, limited time only. First 60 days, first 90 days, 1 year, like a support is there. Continuous updates. It means as long as you are using Office 365, continuously they release the updates. Continuously they release the updates. Okay, as long as you are using, continuous updates are available. Updates, upgrades without charging anything. Upgradation means maybe in a 5 years back, Office 365 features are changed. New features are there. New type of Office 365 came, but still I'm using means it is automatically upgrade to the new one. Okay. Okay, whether I use continuously or not, no problem. But if again I go, I will get a new one only. So I'm not using old one. But it is okay. Are for limited time only. Correct? Limited time, like a 1 year update, 2 years update, 3 years. For example, Office 2021 is released into the market. Now maybe 2016 or 2013 or the lower version, their updates won't be available. Only update is available for 2021 and 2019 one updates available, but lower versions update is not available. Same thing goes for Windows 10 also. Windows 10 is getting updated. Windows 11 may be getting updated, but Windows 8 or Windows 7 is already disconnected. 7 is already disconnected. Okay. For upgradations you have to pay. Okay. For upgrade you have to pay. For upgrade you have to pay. pay monthly, support as long as you use, continuous update and upgrades, one-time purchase, support is limited, okay, and updates are limited period of time only, and for a upgrade you have to pay again, okay, you have to pay for a new upgradations. So what is the next one is you can access from access you can access from anywhere, same thing only guys, remember, like anywhere, anytime, and any device, okay, any device means any type of OS, okay, that is also there. You can access from your PC only, PC or laptop only. So that is local, PC or laptop only. Windows or Mac only support. Not like a Android kind of stuff, won't support. Only you have to require either it is a Windows operating system, means laptop or PC, Windows operating system, Mac operating system, it will support. Like if you want to see like this, you can see one PC or Mac. One PC or Mac means PC or laptop means PC means there meaning is Windows, Mac is Apple, classic, not a premium. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, you will get it. No OneDrive. Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint presentation, OneNote, you will get it. Here you will get a OneDrive, almost like a 1 terabyte of OneDrive data you will get it. Storage per user. Per user you are getting. OneDrive you are getting, okay. Here no OneDrives. No OneDrive, no free OneDrive kind of stuff. Okay. Okay. It is not there. Teams you are not getting. Microsoft Teams. Outlook. Okay. What is Teams? We are using Teams, right? Teams for a meeting, video conferencing, like that. So, right? Outlook is a mail client. It means for accessing mails. Okay. So works on Windows, Mac, and Android, any operating system. It support any type of OS. Any device. Support Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and basically for Linux operating system, online also you can use it. On Linux also you can use it, like your Office Online. Web browser. Here, that facility is not there. Okay. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote is there. OneDrive you will getting, no OneDrive, no Teams, no Outlook is there. So guys, these are the differences between your Office 365 to Office you purchase for a one-time Office kind of stuff. Okay. Mainly, Office 365 can able to access from anywhere, anytime, any device can able to access. Means any device meaning is you can access from the laptop, desktop, mobile phones, any mobile phone, not only required Windows mobile phone, also Android mobile phone, Apple mobile phones, okay, Android, Apple computers, kind of stuff. Operating system like a Linux, we can't install Office 365 offline, but you can use online through web browser, okay. But Office 2019 we can install on Windows or a Mac only, okay. You can install only in a Windows, sorry, PC or laptop kind of stuff only, okay. Windows or Mac, PC or laptop, we can able to use it. And it is a limited support. What is this support kind of stuff? We can look at here. See, one-time purchase for one Mac. Version is Office, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook is also giving. Microsoft support including first 60 days with no extra cost. Means free support only up to 60 days only. You can add this very simplest point here. Okay, and in this one it is saying Outlook, so compulsory you have to verify are you getting Outlook or not. Okay, compulsory check Outlook is there or not. As per the table it is not given, it is there or not. So Teams is not there as per this given, so compulsory check it. So important is only first 60 days free support is there. After 60 days it is a paid support for a certain period of time. Okay, so that is the thing. In Office 365, it is a, as long as you are paying, you can able to use the product. Okay, next, it is free updates and free upgrades, free update, free upgrade, free support. You will get it as long as you are using. You are using means you are paying. Okay, and also you are getting certain things like a OneDrive kind of stuff, Teams, Outlook kind of stuff, basically. And here Office 365 for a home. Guys, remember this is a for home kind of stuff. It means individual users. Also, you can read these things. What is this? What is this? What is this? Also, you can read it. See, here it is. Office 365. Also, you can use desktop, laptops, tablets. Okay. Create inspiring document. This is the normally just people will tell. So they given a 500,000 photos and files. Each file size is 2 MB, that manner, but 1 terabyte of drive is we are getting. That's it. This is just for a sugar coating part only. Ad free mail and calendar experience with the Outlook. So premium values like this, you will get it. What is premium values? Create impressive documents. So where it is? Windows logo, Android logo. Okay. Okay, guys, understand. So what is the advantage of Office 365 is, okay, very simple. You will get a 1 terabyte of OneDrive automatically as long as you are using, and you can able to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, kind of stuff. Okay, create an impressive document, improve your writing with the built-in intelligent features, simplify complex data, and create easy to read spreadsheets. This advertisement. Okay, so you can do mail, meet, chat kind of stuff. Also, we can do it. And, important is you can use it in your desktops, laptops, tablets, mobile phone, both Windows and Mac. Also, we can be able to use it. Also, you can use iOS, Android also. Like sometimes I'm outside. Last time, when I went to tour, right? So when I'm returning back that day, Wednesday 6 o'clock, we have a meeting. Wednesday, we have a meeting on 6 o'clock. I have to attend, but I'm in a leave, no problem for me. But I got a chance. I've got a little bit time. I'm in a flight, but still we have a 10-20 minutes to attend. So I attended it meeting through my mobile phone. How? I install a Teams in my mobile phone. I can access. The Teams is Microsoft product. Teams is Office 365. Through Office 365 account, I can able to attend. So through my Android mobile phone only. Okay, so that is the point I want to say about Office 365. Again, there is a comparisons also there, guys. Office 365 family type and personal. Earlier, Office 365 home is there. The home is changed to family. Now, personal is personal only thing. So if you compare the price comparison and product comparisons, you'll get it. See, first one is family, second one is person, third one is office student kind of stuff. See, it is the price. Every year for family you have to pay 6,199. Every year for personal 4,899. One time you are paying 9,199. Okay. So next, I will show you the price comparisons. Okay, I will finish this price comparisons here. The next part I will go to Office 365 business. Okay, the business thing also I will explain. Now I did. Okay, these are the business accounts. In a business, I will explain again. This is the basic Office only. So we'll go to Home Edition. So this is compare Office 365 kind of stuff. Okay. We don't have a tabular format, so that's why I shared the link. Go through that link and you can get it. Okay. So our family is, this is the cast. Personal. This is the cast. Okay. See the cast also better see, and family you can you will get it like this. So look at the family kind of stuff also. 2 to 6 people means maximum 6 people. Okay, so not only one single person, so maximum 2 to 6 people can able to use it. Okay, means you pay this amount for 5 members for, like, Netflix account. Netflix account maximum 4 members. Okay, Amazon Prime maximum 20 members. Disney Hotstar like a two members only, like that it is there now. So how many people you can able to use it? 2 to 6 people. One person means personal. One person only it is for only one person. Okay. Next, 6 terabytes. So OneDrive storage you are getting here. Six terabytes. OneDrive you are getting 6 terabytes. Meaning is 1 TB per person. 1 TB per person. Okay, this is already 1 TB, 1 person, 1 TB, OneDrive. Okay. Next, yeah, you are getting, both are getting Teams, family safety, mobile apps, mobile app, premium edition you are getting here. You are not getting anything here. Also there. Don't ask me what it is. Just you can go through that one. Family safety and mobile app one. Okay. So next, Teams you are getting. Normal, everything you are getting. Outlook. You are getting here also. You are getting Teams and Outlook. Okay, Teams, Outlook you are getting. In general, you are getting a Word, Excel, PowerPoint is common. Just both, in both you are getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay. Advanced security, email and files. Works on a Windows, Mac, Android. Yeah, that is Office 365 kind of stuff. Okay. But what are the difference between in a home, family, and person? This is completely Office 365 home. Two things are there. Office 365 home, Office 365 business is there. Home, office. This is a story already we given here. Okay, so no OneDrive kind of stuff. Only Word, Excel, PowerPoint we are getting, and Outlook we are getting here. Okay, no OneDrive. Only one-time purchase, one-time install, one PC on Mac. Okay, so that is we already done. That's it only. So there's no check mark for anything. See, you can see look it. Okay, guys, if you look at the price, can you tell me which is the best one? This is one-time purchase, means in this year 2022, if I buy this product, next year no need to buy, no need to pay. Buy this next time, I don't need to pay anything. I can use it 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, no problem. One-time purchase. Okay, maybe in after 7 years, 8 years, maybe 5 years, after 5, 6 years, maybe it is become a old one. So if I want to move to new one, then only I will buy. Mostly Microsoft won't give you any support, updates, upgrade kind of stuff. Free upgradations won't be there anyway. So this is Office. Next, this is the personal, only for one person, 1 terabyte of drive, but cost is every month, every year you have to pay 4,899 per year. This is a family, up to 6 members you can able to use. Price is 6,199 per year. See, the price is increased from year to year, but this is a very high price. But no need to pay every year, one time pay. This is every year pay. Now The question is, which is the best one? Which is the cheaper one? Not a best one. I'm talking about which is cheaper. Cheap and best. Cheap and best. Both are there. No? Cheap and best.
One-time purchase.
Office
One time
367.
Yes.
Office 365.
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Home.
Family or personal?
Family, sir. Family.
Family. Okay. We'll see what is the differences. For example, I have a desktop. For example, my nephew is using a desktop. For example, just I brought a desktop for him. He want an office. He no need to access his office very seriously, right? So in my home, I have a desktop or laptop. People are using the desktop for office. What are the things whenever it is required? They use a office kind of stuff. For them, this is better. Even though it is a 10,000 rupees cost and we don't like to invest 10,000, but still I purchase now. I don't need to buy again and again because I'm using same system only. In case in future my system is damaged, so I'll install in another system and I put a same key, it will activate it. It's not OEM, right? So it is activated. So in that cases, it is a better one. I'm a professional, so then I need an office, not only on my laptop, also I will travel. So I have to access my office from others' laptop, maybe from internet center, maybe from mobile phone. Then I have to go to Office 365. Next, if you compare these two prices, no one is there. So obviously, for example, you want to take a Netflix 4 members, 800 rupees. Now it is cost is reduced 600, 650 only. Okay, Netflix cost is reduced, 4 members 650 only, but 2 members 500. That's a very bad thing. Okay, so thing is, for example, you calculated per 6 members, the cost of this one will be very less. So go to CalC, cost is around 1000, right? Like that. So you can see 6199 divided by 6 members. So the cost is 1033 dot something. So almost like a 1050 rupees. Why 50 rupees? Maybe there is a tax kind of stuff. If any tax is applicable, tax also divided, right? So maximum per year 1000. For example, you have a 6 members, a family of 6 members, or friends and families. 6 members are there. So you can buy this one. So every year with a very less cost, every year paying 1000 or 1100 per a year. So you are paying per person, and you are getting 1 terabyte of data, means a very big storage you are getting. You can load different kind of data, your personal data, your photos or anything, you can easily store. And also you are getting Teams, Outlook for meeting, you are getting. Okay, earlier instead of Teams they give a Skype, the Skype for business. Now we got a Teams. Okay, so we are getting Teams. If you go to the world video survey anything there, they mention Skype. Now Skype is replaced with the Teams. Skype is also available. Okay, they put a Teams and stuff that one. Okay, guys. So this is a comparison between Office 365 and a normal Office. And what about the Office 365 and a comparison between Office 365 and normal Office, and a price comparison in the Office Home, Family and Personal. Next one we will see business, Office 365 business, and also we discussed about 2 points about cloud services and cloud types also. That's it for now. So after break we will continue. Take 10 minutes break. 12:20. Okay. Any doubts you can ask me.
So, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, difference between Office 365 and Microsoft 365. Actually, in Microsoft 365, they give with Windows 10, sir.
Okay. I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Recently, when you are buying a laptops, so you buy a laptop. Okay. You buy a laptop. It comes with a laptop comes with a Windows 10 with a OEM package, means licensed package with a laptop you are getting, and they are telling, when you see along with the Office 2019 or Office 365. Okay, this Office 365 is free for a 15 days only. You have to check the comments when you are purchasing. Be careful with that one. Okay, so when you are looking at that any laptop, you want to buy something laptop, you got it. Okay, it is showing something. Okay, like you want to buy a laptop, so you'll go to, you pay some amounts. You can see MS Office is also there. So if this Office is like a 2019 or 22, no problem. Okay, like this. Now I'm not saying no problem also. No problem also. They should give lifetime validity. Even though, this laptop, what is the laptop I'm using currently? That laptop Office 2013 is given. 2013 Office is given. It is a trial version. 15 days trial version. Okay. So guys, compulsory Windows 10 with Office or Windows 11 with Office. So check the Office first of all. Okay, how is it, a trial version or a free version or Office 365 version? Compulsory check it. Either by they write about a description like this, or you can go through the comments. So in a comment, if anybody, or otherwise you can put a question, that is a vendor question related one. So this Office is a one-time purchase kind of stuff. It means it is when you got a laptop with the Office. Okay, is completely licensed one. Okay, completely fully licensed one or trial version. Okay, so sometimes they will give you 15 days trial version. After 15 days trial version completed, you can't do anything. Even though antivirus, laptops with the antivirus installed in it. So like a McAfee, usually most of the laptops comes with a McAfee. Okay, again that is also a 15 days, 20 days trial version. Once trial version is completed, what to do? Again,
Paid.
you have to pay. No, antivirus are very cheap. Antivirus are usually very cheap.
But we have Windows Defender. So, what is
So
the use
Windows
of?
Defender is there. Okay, but you want to buy antivirus like a Kaspersky kind of stuff. Okay, so antivirus, certain different antivirus are there. See, this is the some K7. This is a Max Secure. No one knows what it is. McAfee. See, 640 rupees, 325 rupees. 1 year, one PC, email delivery. See, very cheap, right? You can see, 149. Norton is a little costlier. Here it is showing 1 year. 401. Quick Hill. Kaspersky 627. First year completed. Next year it is 2000. You want to renew any antivirus, it is costly. Again, see, I will show you that one. So like a McAfee. renewal. Okay, so this year or once it is completed, then I will want to go to renewal. See, it is 1 year. Okay, it is showing in a different way. But I want that is not exact content. Maybe it is wrong website. That is showing in dollars. That's one. See, it is first. Okay. Okay. When you buy, it is like that. So when you purchase it, then you want to renew it. Like this is the buy now type. So when you are renewing it, so definitely they will charge like a 1500, 2000, 3000, 4000 like that. Okay. So that is what business we do, and maybe may not be virus will be removed or not. No one knows. Okay. Same concept is that when you're buying a laptop, you may get an office home freely along with your operating system. It may be a permanent one. Permanent means already paid licensed version you are getting, or maybe you are getting a trial version. Most of the time you will get a trial version only. You won't get a full version. Okay, so compulsory when you are purchasing, ask the candidate, am I getting a trial version or a full version? Okay, so why I'm telling, why should we ask? Whether you get a trial version, once trial is completed, whether you want to use it, you don't want to use it, no problem. But there is a problem. Office 365 or a normal office, when you get a trial version, they don't tell it is a trial version in generally. Okay, we are giving Office 365. Trial or not trial, they are not telling. What they will do, they'll charge on you, including with the total cost of computer. Your computer cost is, for example, 40,000. Your laptop cost is 40,000 because they are providing Office 365 original one is like a, this is around a 10,000. This is a 10,000. 2021 is a 10,000. They'll add 5,000 here. They don't tell this is the 5,000 is added because of Office. They're telling Office is free. You think you're getting a without Office 40,000, with Office it is 45,000, but actually if you want to buy a Office it is 50,000. Understand, guys? You buy a 40,000 laptop and you buy a Office. I put a round figure instead of 999 kind of stuff. I put a round figure like a, for example, 10,000. You have 40,000 laptop plus you have to buy Office 360 Office with 10,000 rupees. Now it has become 50,000. Now you are getting free Office with a 45,000, right? But the Office is trial version with 15 days or 20 days trial is over. Then you have to go to the shop and why it is expired? Sir, it is Office is free and it's for 15 days without telling that line. Okay, it's like a 5% discount, small like a big 5, like a 50% discount up to, okay, 20% discount up to, flat 1% discount. Okay, so this is a discount dramas, so compulsory you should see. Along with operating system, you won't get a Office. So they may add, the company may add a Office product additionally when you are purchasing it. Okay. Same thing happened to me. So this laptop, when I got it, I seen Office is there. So I feel very happy. Okay, Office is there. Office 2013, very good. And it is a trial version. Okay. Luckily, after long struggle, I what I do. Usually we don't buy. We don't like to buy, right? So 10,000 rupees for a Office 6,000, 8,000. That much budget we don't put it. Guys, understood this one, right? What is the scam inside? These two are scams only. One is laptop with the Office, laptop with the antivirus. Laptop with Office, laptop with antivirus. So mostly there are two different scams. Don't worry, that is, see, it is Windows 11 with Office 2021. Okay, so that Office is, again you have to check the Office is okay, 1 second, 1 terabyte without graphics. Okay, this is a look good laptop, guys. i3 10th generation. Okay, 10th generation, 1% compromise. 8 GB RAM, good. 1 terabyte of hard disk, very good. Windows 11. Actually, Windows 11 are upgraded to Windows 11. Office already tell no, so Office is not considerable. So compulsory related to Office, you have to check it, but it is okay configuration. Okay, so like this is also very good configuration. For less than 40,000. This is not good. 256 SSD, not good. Not good.
Sir, how can we apply that antivirus to our laptop, sir?
Yeah, buy a antivirus, install the antivirus, update the antivirus. And once check for a renewal, already installed antivirus, you want to renewal it. Then check the price. If price is okay for you, and renewal it. Price is not okay for you, what to do? Uninstall it. Uninstall the antivirus, restart 2-3 times your system, okay, and buy new one, new license. Okay, I use normally Windows Defender, it's working good, and Malwarebytes. I use Malwarebytes. Okay, luckily it is working for me, and there is a 14 days free trial version is also available. If in case you got some serious problem like a application installation related registry related issues are there, so then you can able to scan it. Okay, better first always go to see pricing. Free downloads are available, but always personal, business, premium, check the cost and change your country. 1 device per month, 5 device, like this it is. Per month cost. We use for per month. The product kind of stuff is there, change rate. I don't like this kind of stuff. But it is also good. I use always like a Malwarebytes for my laptop. Yeah, whatever it is. Okay. You don't use 2 to 3 antiviruses at a time, like a McAfee plus Avast or Nord32 Norton antivirus. Okay, don't use like that. Kaspersky Nord32. Don't use this 2 antiviruses anyway. Yeah, take a break, guys. I'm keep talking, and